The foundation of style. Why flooring matters. Flooring is the unsung hero of home design. It's the foundation of your style. It sets the stage for everything else. Choosing the right flooring can transform a house into a home. Think of it like this. You wouldn't build a house on a shaky foundation, right? The same goes for your floors. They need to be strong, durable, and visually appealing. The right flooring can make a room feel larger, brighter, and more inviting. It can also reflect your personality and lifestyle. So whether you're renovating or starting from scratch, take your time. Choosing your flooring is a big decision. Exploring your options: hardwood, tile, carpet, and laminate. When it comes to choosing the right flooring for your home, the options can seem endless. Each type of flooring offers unique benefits and can dramatically change the look and feel of your space. Let's talk about the different types of flooring available. From the timeless elegance of hardwood to the practical and versatile tile, the cozy comfort of carpet, and the budget-friendly laminate, there's something for every taste and need. Each one has its own pros and cons. Understanding these can help you make an informed decision that best suits your lifestyle and budget. Hardwood is a classic choice. Known for its natural beauty and warmth, it can enhance the aesthetic appeal of any room. It's durable, timeless, and adds value to your home. Hardwood floors can last for decades with proper care, making them a long-term investment. You can choose from a variety of wood species and finishes. Whether you prefer the rich, dark tones of walnut or the light, airy feel of oak, there's a hardwood option to match your style. Tile is another popular option. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in almost any room of the house. It's perfect for high-traffic areas and comes in a wide range of colors and patterns. From sleek, modern designs to intricate, traditional patterns, tile can make a bold statement. Tile is also very easy to clean. Its resistance to stains and water makes it an excellent choice for kitchens and bathrooms. Carpet offers warmth and comfort. It's soft underfoot, making it a great choice for areas where you want to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. It's great for bedrooms and living rooms. Carpet can also help with sound insulation, reducing noise levels in your home. Carpet comes in different piles and textures to suit your style. From plush, high-pile carpets to more durable, low-pile options, there's a carpet for every room and preference. Laminate flooring is a budget-friendly alternative to hardwood. It offers the look of wood without the high cost. It's durable, easy to install, and comes in a variety of wood-look finishes. Laminate is also resistant to scratches and stains, making it a practical choice for busy households. Whether you're looking to update a single room or your entire home, there's a flooring option that's perfect for you. Room-by-room matching flooring to functionality. Choosing the right flooring for each room in your home is essential for both aesthetics and practicality. Now let's talk about choosing flooring based on the function of the room. Each room has its own unique needs and challenges, and the flooring you choose should reflect that. For kitchens, you want something durable and easy to clean. The kitchen is a high-traffic area where spills and splatters are common, so the flooring needs to be resilient. Tile is a great option here. It's not only durable but also resistant to water and stains, making it perfect for the kitchen environment. It can handle spills and splatters like a champ. Plus, it's easy to wipe clean, which is a huge bonus in a busy kitchen. Bathrooms also benefit from water-resistant flooring. Given the moisture and humidity in bathrooms, it's crucial to choose a material that won't be damaged by water. Tile is again a good choice. It's water-resistant and can withstand the damp conditions of a bathroom. You can also consider vinyl flooring, which is waterproof and affordable. Vinyl is a versatile option that comes in a variety of styles and colors. Living rooms and bedrooms are spaces where you want comfort and warmth. These are areas where you relax and unwind, so the flooring should be soft and inviting. Carpet is a popular choice here. It adds a cozy feel and is soft underfoot, making it perfect for lounging and relaxing. Hardwood is another option if you prefer a more classic look. It's elegant and timeless, adding a touch of sophistication to any room. For hallways and entryways, durability is key. These areas see a lot of foot traffic, so the flooring needs to be tough and long-lasting. The flooring should be able to withstand constant use without showing signs of wear and tear. Consider tile or laminate flooring for these high-traffic zones. Both options are durable and easy to maintain, making them ideal for busy areas of your home. Keeping it clean, maintenance and durability. Maintenance is another important factor to consider. Some flooring options require more upkeep than others. Hardwood floors need to be swept and mopped regularly. They also need to be refinished every few years. Tile is very low maintenance. Just sweep or mop up spills as needed. Carpet requires regular vacuuming. You'll also need to have it professionally cleaned every year or two. Laminate flooring is also relatively easy to maintain. Sweep or vacuum regularly and clean up spills promptly. Section 5. The price is right. Budgeting for your dream floor. Of course, budget is always a consideration. Flooring costs can vary widely depending on the material, quality, and installation. Hardwood is typically the most expensive option, but it also adds the most value to your home. Tile can be more affordable than hardwood, especially if you choose ceramic tile. Carpet is generally the most budget-friendly option, but keep in mind that it may need to be replaced more often than other types of flooring. Laminate flooring offers the look of hardwood at a lower price point. It's a great option for budget-conscious homeowners. Section 6. Setting the tone, aesthetics, and your home's personality. Flooring plays a huge role in setting the tone of your home. It's one of the first things people notice when they walk into a room, and it can significantly influence the overall ambiance. It can make a space feel cozy, elegant, or modern. The right flooring can transform a room, making it feel more inviting and comfortable. Hardwood floors bring a timeless elegance to any room. They are not only beautiful but also durable, adding value to your home. They work well with a variety of styles from traditional to contemporary. Whether you prefer a classic look or a more modern aesthetic, hardwood floors can complement your design. Tile can create a clean, modern look. It's perfect for areas that need to be both functional and stylish, like kitchens and bathrooms. Or you can use it to add a touch of color and pattern to your space. Tiles come in a variety of designs, allowing you to express your personality through your flooring. Carpet can make a room feel warm and inviting. It's soft underfoot, making it a great choice for bedrooms and living areas where comfort is key. Choose a neutral color for a calming effect or go bold with a patterned carpet. The right carpet can add texture and warmth to your home. Laminate flooring can mimic the look of hardwood or tile. It's a cost-effective option that doesn't compromise on style. It's a versatile option that can work with any style. Whether you're looking for something traditional or contemporary, laminate flooring offers a wide range of possibilities to suit your needs. Section 7. Light and shadow, illuminating your flooring choices. Don't underestimate the impact of lighting on your flooring. The amount of natural light in a room can affect how your flooring looks. Darker floors can make a room feel smaller, but they can also create a cozy atmosphere. Lighter floors can brighten up a space and make it feel larger. Consider the direction your room faces. If it gets a lot of natural light, you have more flexibility with your flooring choices. Section 8. Underfoot comfort, finding the right feel for your feet. Comfort is another important factor to consider, especially if you spend a lot of time on your feet. Hardwood floors can be hard on your feet and joints. You can add rugs for cushioning and warmth. Tile can also be hard underfoot, but it's a good choice for areas where you need a waterproof surface. Carpet offers the most cushioning and warmth. It's a good choice for bedrooms and living rooms. Laminate flooring can be more comfortable than hardwood or tile, especially if you choose a thicker underlayment. Section 9. Making the right choice, a foundation for years to come. Choosing the right flooring for your home is a big decision. There are many factors to consider, from your budget to your lifestyle. Remember to think about the function of the room, the level of maintenance you're willing to do, and the overall style you want to create. Don't be afraid to ask for samples and compare different options. And most importantly, trust your gut. With a little planning and consideration, you'll be sure to find the perfect flooring to transform your house into a home.